This is your today's class. Bank in previous video we saw few sums. This is the continuity. So listen the question. Sixth question is Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposits rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets rupees 5,880 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. So listen, in this question, the monthly payment is 600. Okay, it's based on the previous video's continuity. So monthly payment is 600. How much years? 4 years. He has to pay 4 years. Next, at end of the 4th year, he get the amount, interest amount 5,880. That is only for the interest. So how we need to find the rate of interest percentage? How we find this? Listen now. What is the interest amount? 58,800. What is the monthly payment? Rupees 600. Period 4 years. Already I said in banking, if it is a year, you need to convert it into the month. So listen. 4 years. 1 year equal to 12 months. 4 years equal to 48 months. This is N. Next, deposit for 1 month. First, we need to find the principal value here. How we find deposit for 1 month? What is fee? Fee value is 600. Monthly payment is 600 into N 48. N plus 1 is 49 divided by 2. Do the simplification. You will be getting 7,5,600. This is the total principal amount. Monthly 600 pay பண்றாங்க, 4 years pay பண்றாங்க. This is only for the principal value. 7,5,600. Next, we need to find rate of interest. We may not know the rate of interest. So just you consider rate of interest is R percentage. What is interest formula? PRT by 100. It's a recurring deposit. So into 12. Listen, here they given the interest value is 5,880. Okay, listen. So 5,880 equal to what is principal value? 7 lakh. 5,600 into or we need to find into 1 divided by 100 into 12. Next, listen. 2020 cancel it. You will be getting 588 or. So 5,880 divided by 588 cancel it. You will be getting R equal to 10%. Okay, next is 7th question. Listen. Questions you note it in the. Just you refer the book. Listen the 7th question. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So in this question, what is given? So deposit during month 300. How many years? 2 years. So 2 years now 24 months. What's the maturity value they have given? 7,725. We need to find the rate of interest value. How we find the rate of interest? Listen. Principal for as usual plus the same category. Principal for the first one. Principal for the first one P into N plus 1 divided by 2. What is P? 300 into what is N? 24 of. So 24 into N plus 1 25 divided by 2. Cancel it, you will be getting 12. So 90,000. 90,000 is the principal amount. Next, interest. What is interest? PRT divided by 100 into 12. So listen, what is principal value? 90,000. Or we need to find here. Listen, here they mentioned about 2 years but we need to find year by year. So instead of the T, use it 1. So 1 divided by 100 into 12. Next, to do the simplification, you will be getting the answer 75 or. Next one, listen. Maturity value. How we find the value? Maturity value equal to monthly payment into N plus the final answer. So what is the interest value they given? 7,725 equal to what is the monthly payment? 300 into what is the months? 24 months. 24 plus here the interest value is 75 or. Next to the multiply this 7,200. So 7,725 minus 7,200 equal to 75 or. So cancel it. You will be getting 7%. So 725 divided by 75 equal to 7%. So percentage is 7. Up to this sum over. Okay, listen the 9th question. Charak opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month. So what is the monthly payment? 800 for 1.5 years. So 1.5 years now 1 year equal to 12 months. Half years now 6. So 12 plus 6 18. What is n here? 18 months. If he received 15,084 at the time of maturity. So final amount, the principal value plus interest, final amount is 15,084. Find the rate of interest per annum. So what we need to find? We need to find the rate percentage. I hope you understand this question. Listen me. Money deposited per month rupees 800. Number of month 1.5 years. So 18 months. What is the interest? Listen, P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Listen now. This question you proceed in the previous model also. This is for your understanding purpose. We have two formulas. No, நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி போட்டாலும் கரெக்ட் தான், இந்த மாதிரி போட்டாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். நீங்க இந்த மாடலும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக இந்த சம்ல இந்த ஃபார்முலா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஓகே. So what's the formula? Interest equal to P into n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. What is P? 800 into what is n? 18 months. So 18. So n plus 1 19. 18 into 19 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. So simplify it, you will be getting 114 R. Next, what is the maturity amount? Maturity amount they given 15,084 equal to monthly payment into number of years, number of months in plus interest. So listen, what is the monthly payment? 800 into n80 plus interest 114 R. So multiple this, you will be getting 14,400. So 15,084 minus 14,400 equal to 114 R. So R equal to 684 divided by 114. Cancel it, you will be getting R equal to 6%. So what's the rate of percentage? 6%. Again I am telling you, here I use the direct formula. You proceed the previous sums model or else you can use this formula. Both also correct, you will be getting a same answer. Next question. Okay, listen, 11th question. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6,455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of 14% per annum in a recurring deposit account. Find the monthly installment. So this question, we have a total amount and rate of interest. We need to find the monthly payment. So listen how we find that. Okay, listen, monthly installment we may not know, so just you consider the monthly installment as P. Next, n equal to 1 year or 1 year not 12 months. What is rate of interest? 14%. Listen, monthly maturity. How we find the maturity? P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100 plus P into n. Why here we added plus P into n? Because we need to find the monthly installment. Okay, so for finding monthly installment, interest plus P into month. This is one of the criteria. So listen, what is the maturity value they given? 6,455 equal to P into what is n? 12 R. 12 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R value 14 divided by 100 plus P into what is n? 12. Next, 6,455 equal to P into 12 into 12 plus 1 13 divided by 2 into 12 into 14 by 100 plus 12 P up. Next, simplify this mark. So 91P plus 1200P divided by 100. We need to take a LCM in this step. Next, do the multiplication. 6,45,500 equal to 1291P. Here we need to find the monthly payment P. So divide this, you will be getting P equal to 500. So what's the monthly installment? 500. I hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, listen the video twice. If you have any doubt, ask me. Up to this banking chapter over, the entire chapter over in banking. I hope you all understand this. Do the sums without 8 fail. Thank you, students.